If it's been a while since you've logged into your KDP account, you may not have noticed this little warning up here. So as of March 18th, 2025, no more Mobi files on KDP. Now, many of us have switched to EPUBs over the last few years anyway, because we kind of had a feeling that this was coming. But if your book has been published long enough ago that you were using Mobi files, you're probably going to want to go ahead and replace those. Effective March 18th, they no longer support Mobi files. Okay, so I would, if you don't want to have any issues, you're probably going to want to go ahead and get your book reformatted into an EPUB. There's all kinds of information on here if you want to see more about it. So if you go in, you can read all the details and everything that you need to know. But you can use consider using the Kindle Create, which will allow you to download a free tool for them to help you on it. However, if this is too much for you to do on your own, there are some great people who do EPUB conversions. We've found a couple on Fiverr who have done a great job. If you worked with someone who did the interior formatting in the original ebook version of your book, I'm sure you can reach out to them and see if they can re-export it into an EPUB. But you're definitely going to want to go ahead and do this and just make sure that you're doing EPUB files from here on out. All right? Thanks.